In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly adjust the zoom settings in Discord, whether you're using it in Chrome or the desktop app. Understanding how to zoom in and out can greatly enhance your Discord experience by allowing you to see things clearly at a size that suits your eyes best. We all know how important readability is, especially when you're spending a lot of time chatting or browsing servers. To get started, first, make sure you have Discord open. You can do this in either Google Chrome or via the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Once you have Discord open in front of you, there's a simple yet effective trick using your keyboard and mouse that allows you to control the zoom level intuitively. Here's what you'll do. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, you'll want to hold the Command key instead. Once you've done that, take a look at your mouse, scroll the wheel up to zoom in, and watch as everything on your Discord screen grows larger, making it easier to read. Conversely, if you want to zoom out and see more at once, simply scroll the mouse wheel down. This is particularly helpful if you need to get a broader view of multiple text channels or messages without scrolling as much. Now, if you're looking for a slightly different way to achieve the same effect without touching your mouse, you can use some simple keyboard shortcuts. While holding down the Control key or Command on a Mac, tap the plus key, the one located next to your numbers on the top row of the keyboard. Each press will gradually increase the zoom level, blow by blow, until you reach a desired size. Conversely, to zoom out, you can hold Control and press the minus key, which will make everything on screen shrink down slowly to give you that wider perspective. Finally, there may be times when you've zoomed too far in or out and want to quickly reset everything back to the default view. Don't worry, there's a straightforward way to do this as well. Simply press Control and the number 0 key at the same time. This action resets the zoom level back to Discord's default setting, making everything appear at its original size. Remember, adjusting the zoom is more than just a matter of convenience. It's about comfort and effectiveness. Applying these zooming techniques can optimize your Discord sessions, enabling you to engage more comfortably with friends and communities. It's all about creating the perfect experience for you. So try experimenting with these steps and find the level that suits you best. Once you've done that, you'll feel more in control, making your time on Discord even more enjoyable. Happy chatting!